Okay, hello everyone and welcome to a new PRPL tutorial. In this video tutorial series, I will go over this text tutorial that I wrote, and I will do one video on each section so you can easily learn PRPL step by step and start with the easy stuff and progress to the more complicated stuff. So first, what is PRPL? It is a language in which you can write custom units in particle fleet. So let's get started. You can read this for yourself if you want. I will leave the link in the description. I will just do the work on the video so you don't have to rely on the screenshots. You can see it with your own eyes in a video that it works. So first, let's make a new map. So we will create new map, name it tutorial video, and width and height doesn't really matter. And let's follow the screenshots of creating a core and adding a script to it. So first we need a PRPL core. Now this unit doesn't do anything on its own, but you can add scripts to it, and then you need to program the script so that the unit actually does something. So let's create a new script. We will name it script1 create, and then you hit, we will not edit it just yet, we will just hit compile here, and we will see that it compiled successfully. So we now have a script that doesn't do anything yet, but we can add the script into the core. So you can select here, if you had more scripts here, we can create new, and then we can select which script we want. So we will just add this one. It's also important to click apply so it saves, and now we have a core that has the script attached to it, but it doesn't do anything yet. So let's fix that, right? If you see the tutorial, actually I don't have to rely on the text tutorial, you can read it yourself, or you can watch this video, so you will get the same information either way. So let's edit the script. Now I have actually uninstalled my text editor so I can show you how to install it, and now the edit button doesn't work. So how to fix it? Well, let's create a new file. I mean, if you have this problem that the edit button doesn't do anything, it is caused by the fact that your operating system doesn't know what to do with the extension. So this is a file that has the PRPL extension, and if I open it, what is going on here? Okay, whatever. Just create a new file with the PRPL extension, right click properties, and then change it to, I don't know, some text editor. Doesn't really matter. Now if you open it, right, we can see the file, and now we should be able to open it from here. Nice. So this is just a useless file that I created to set the default text editor for the files with the PRPL extension. So make sure you don't edit that one. This is the actual script in the map. You can see the map name here. So what do we write into the script so that this unit actually does something? Well, let's start with something simple. We will just write this. I mean, this is a command, so you can delete it, and we save it. It's important to save the file. And now when we compile again, we see that it compiled into 3 opcode. So not only you need to, after you finish editing the file, see it is unsaved, you need to save it. So I just saved it here by clicking Ctrl S. But after you save it, the game doesn't register the save automatically. You need to manually say, I have changed the file, I need to compile it again. So it actually compiled the file again. And now it is compiled, and if I unpause the game, I can see the message hello world here in the debug window. So this script is printing hello world into the window. And what's important to know is that this is a script that will be executed 30 times every second. So the game runs on 30 ticks per second. That means that every time on a tick it will get all the cores and all the scripts in them, and it will execute the program that you write here. So this will print the message 30 times per second into the window. And if we continue in the tutorial, yeah, okay, we just did that. We can change it like this. And what this will do is it will only print the message the first time the script is executed. So as I said, the script is always executed 30 times a second, but this once and once combo or pair, if you want, will create a block inside that will only get executed the first time. I mean, the inside will only get executed the first time the program is going this way, if that makes sense. So if I now save this and I compile again, then we have all these messages from the previous time, so we clear and we don't see it. So what we can do is compile it again, and now we see it. So now every time you compile, it resets the timer. So when I said it will only execute the first time it is going this way, and that gets reset on compilation. So if I change the string and save it, we do not see the change yet. I need to compile, and now we see the change. So you can do it yourself now, but if you look at the screenshots, we see that they are different colors. So how to do it so it looks nice? Well, that is this section here, and for that we will need to download a new text editor. I think I don't know if this works on Windows, I mean on Linux or Mac, but even on those platforms you can just use any text editor you want. You just may not get the coloring, or Notepad++ might actually work there as well. So I want this version, and yes, installer, why not? So let's just install it. The download anyway, anywhere, and just click through it. And by the way, I uninstalled the program just so you can see that I install it and set it up. Okay, so we want, yes, like that, and this is fine. So yeah, run Notepad. So you can see Notepad opens up, and that is fine. So now what we need to do, but I mean, I just download the installer and it's, oh, whatever, just download the update, I guess. Yes. Okay, sure. What? No, I want to install it here. Okay, I think I will just edit out this part. So I'll see you after the edit. Okay, we are back, and I have successfully installed Notepad++. But when I click edit here, it still opens in the old editor that doesn't have the syntax highlighting. So let's fix that quickly. So first we need to, again, let's just take this random file that I did with this extension and change the editor once again. Now change it to Notepad++. Okay, apply, okay. Now I open it, and opens in Notepad++. So now I click edit here, it actually edits the file in Notepad++. And you can see I already have the syntax highlighting, because when I uninstalled the program, I set it to keep the settings. So it already remembers that it should have this syntax highlighting for this extension. But if you just install it new, you will still not see the coloring. So that's why you need to click this link here. And here is a syntax highlighter that will do just that. That will, okay, let's just download it into here, why not? That will make it so it doesn't look ugly like this, and it looks pretty like this. So how to set it up? Just go into language, and you can see I have already here, but you will click define your language, then you will click import, and you will open the file that you just downloaded. Okay, where is it? And now it's in the other. Oh, I'm blind. Oh, here it is, right? So you just open, but okay, I will just click open it, and it will say import successful, and that should change the that should change the coloring immediately. If it doesn't, you can still manually change it here. So if I click, for example, R, it gives a different, and if I click PRPL, it gives this one. So that should be it for the first part. That just deals how to make a script, how to set the text editor, and so on and so forth. And one last thing, there's a homework at the end, and it's really simple. The homework is that now it just, when you hit compile, it just sets one message, and the homework is to change the script so it says two messages instead. So you can pause the video now, do the homework, and see the solution in the video when you are done. Okay, so let's see the solution. So it's really simple. You just do this, you save the file, you compile, and you see the two messages here. So that's it for the, yeah, you can see the solution. That's for the first tutorial. In the next episode, we will see more in depth how the language works, what are these commands, what do they do, why does it work, and so on. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.